13, that is network cabling. In previous section we have discussed different types of network cables, and also we have started the second topic, that is Ethernet cabling components. There are 4 components in Ethernet cabling. They are patch cable, and it is also called as twisted pair. Second one is RJ45 connector, and third one is Ethernet port, and fourth one is crimping tool. Patch cable consists of 8 pairs of wires. Among them 4 wires are in solid colors and 4 wires are striped. All these 8 wires are twisted together and inserted into a single unit. So these wires are inserted into 8 jacks of RJ45 connector. This is a small plastic cup. Inside one end of RJ45 connector, the wires are inserted, and another end is plugged in a LAN port. And 2 more components we are going to discuss in next section. They are Ethernet ports, and the fourth one is crimping tool. RJ45 connector, as we have discussed in previous section, it is a small plastic cup which will be used to connect the wire inside the connector and ready to connect the internet. So from this picture you can easily see the 8 jacks inside the RJ45 connector. The thing is very important. The exact wire is inserted to the exact jack. For that, some wiring schemes and color codes of the connectors are maintained. So inside the RJ45 connector only, we are going to connect 8 small wires of patch cable. The 8 cables are in 8 different colors, as I mentioned before. With the help of wiring scheme, we can specify how the wires to be connected with RJ45 connector. So for that, 2 wiring schemes are available. One is called T568A, another one is T568B. So with the help of these 2 wiring schemes, the twisted pair cable is terminated on each end of your connector. So in these 2 schemes, 2 main signals are used for each and every pin. If it is mentioned at TX, it is called as transmission of data. If it is mentioned as RX, then it is called an receiver of data. If a pin consists of 2 signals, then that pin is called an bidirectional. So that pin is able to not only to send the data but also to receive the data. Let us see the 2 wiring scheme. First we will move on to T568A. So 8 wires use different colors. So the first wire is white green stripe, and second wire is green, and third wire is white orange stripe, and fourth one is blue, and fifth one is white blue stripe, and sixth one is orange, and seventh one is white brown stripe, and eighth one is brown color wire. So these 8 wires are inserted in these 8 jacks of RJ connector in the same order. For an example, the first wire, that is white green stripe wire, is inserted in the first pin. Likewise, the brown color wire is inserted in the inside the 8th pin. So if it follows T568A wiring scheme, this table is followed to insert the wires. Suppose if the connector follows the second scheme, that is T568B scheme, then it follows this table. In this, the first wire is white orange stripe, second wire is orange, third one is white green stripe, and fourth one is blue, fifth one is white blue stripe, sixth one is green, and seventh one is white brown stripe, and eighth one is brown. So these wires are inserted in the RJ45 connector pins in the same order. For an example, fourth wire, that is blue wire, is inserted in the fourth pin of RJ45 connector. Let us see the pin details of Ethernet ports. I already told TX means transmission of data, RX means receiver of data. Pin 1 is called as transmission positive, TX plus. It describes this pin is bidirectional and transmission of data, that which means this pin, that is this wire, can be send the data at both connection. That's why it is called TX positive. So for that, white green color is used. And second one is called as transmission negative. It is indicated as TX minus. It is also bidirectional transmission of data. So it is ready to transfer the data at both the end, and the color of wire used in pin 2 is green color. Likewise, pin 3 is receiver positive, that is RX plus, which means this color of pin is ready to receive the data, and the color of wire used in this pin is white orange. Likewise, pin 4, pin 5, pin 7 and pin 8. These pins are used for reserved position. So reserved position means they are neither transmission of data not for receiving of data. It will be used for future purpose. And the last one is pin 8. It is called a receiver negative. So where receiver negative means it is also called as bidirectional, and it is ready to receive the data at both end. So by inserting the wires in a RJ45 connector, you should also remember the colors of wires and the pin details of Ethernet port. This is Ethernet port. It is available in your computer, the back side of the computer. So each and every jack, the jack is available in RJ45 connector. Inside the jack only we inserted the wires. So the pins are exactly connected with the correct jacks of RJ45 connector. Although 4 pairs of wires are used in RJ45 connector, that is in twisted pair cable, Ethernet uses only 2 pairs, that is orange and green color wires. The remaining 2 colors, solid colors, that is blue and brown, which can be used for ISDN, that is telephone connection, telephone digital connections. So if you want to get an Ethernet LAN connection, then these pair orange and green color wires are used to get access the net and internet. The remaining 4 pins, 4, 5, 7, 8 are called reserved, which means I already told there will be no transmitting of data and there will be no receiving will exist, but these pins can be used for later for some other connection. It may be an ISDN phone connection or any other network connection. Okay students, that's all about today's section. In this section we have discussed a small topic from 13th chapter, that is wiring schemes and color codes of RJ45 connector. So there are 2 wiring schemes are used in RJ45 connector to insert patch cable wires, T568A and T568B. These are the 2 wiring schemes used in RJ45 connectors. So in RJ45 connectors uses 8 jacks, that is 8 pins to insert the wires in the same order. So the first pin is used to insert white green stripe wire, and second one is used to solid green color wire, and third one is white orange stripe wire, and fourth pin is used to insert solid blue color, and so on. If it follows the second scheme, then the first pin is used to insert white orange stripe wire, and second one is orange wire, and so on. So you have to keep in mind the wiring scheme and the color of wire which is used to insert the RJ45 connector. In next section we will see the remaining two components of Ethernet cabling, that is a crimping process, the crimping tool. Another one is Ethernet port. Okay students, that's all about today's class. Take care. God bless you until we will see the remaining concepts.